You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence in the dark.
Welcome to Rahi House. What's up guys, this is Hina Raheja. Welcome back to my channel. As you must have already checked the title that this is a home tour video, and more than that, I wanted to inform you about the kind of flats that you can actually rent out or purchase in Bangalore. Behind me, if you see, is the society where I live. From this point to this complete block there, then this is under construction, and beyond that, what, like more than double of these flats, and beyond that also there are like similar number of flats. So this one is pretty huge, like the huge society, probably the hugest if that's a word, in Bangalore. Sky is pretty good today. अभी यहाँ नीचे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करते, ऊपर चलते हैं and I'll quickly take you to my house. यहाँ एक फ्लोर पे there are 8 flats, 4 on this side, 4 on that side. Let's quickly go to mine. हमारे घर का रूल है कि हम फुटवेयर्स अपने बाहर रखते हैं. जैसे ही हम घर के अंदर एंटर करते हैं, देयर इज दिस लिविंग एरिया. Ours is a 1200 square feet flat which has one living room that you can see behind me, one master bedroom which is bigger in size, one guest room which is comparatively smaller, 2 washrooms of same size, one kitchen and one balcony. So let's quickly start with the living room itself. Here we have placed a shoe rack which was outside few days ago, but हमने इसको अभी अंदर शिफ्ट कर दिया है. And one more quick thing that I would like to share. जो लोग मुझे बहुत टाइम से जानते हैं एंड ट्रैवल अफेयर्स को जानते हैं, तो उनको ये वाले बैजेस का मतलब पता होगा. सो जिनको नहीं पता, सो गाइस, आई यूज्ड टू ऑर्गेनाइज ग्रुप ट्रिप्स विद रैंडम स्ट्रेंजर्स, एंड हर ट्रिप का एक बैज होता था, लाइक दिस वन, बीर बिलिंग मार्च 27. सो बेसिकली ये वाला ट्रिप था जहाँ से ट्रैवल अफेयर्स स्टार्ट हुआ था. Then this is my favorite, जलौरी पास, ओझा, सिरौलसर लेक. ये वाला ट्रिप अगेन अ स्पेशल वन बिकॉज यहाँ पर हमने ट्रैवल अफेयर्स का फर्स्ट बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया था. एंड या गोज ऑन. एंड ये वाला जो बैकड्रॉप है, ये मेरी सिस्टर ने डिज़ाइन किया. एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी स्पेशल पेंटिंग. यहाँ पर एक्चुअली कुछ बैजेस उतर चुके हैं, इफ यू सी, तो वो मेरे को दोबारा से पेस्ट करना है, बट या दैट्स हाउ इट लुक्स. And this nameplate, I got it made from Manali, and there was some problem pasting it on the main door, and हम ज़्यादा drilling नहीं करा सकते थे, तो I had to place it here. Eventually it will go on the main door. On this corner we have the jhula. We have divided living room space into 2 parts. One is the couch area, the jhula, the TV and everything. The other side of living room we have kept intentionally little empty. One side of it we have made puja room, and the other side, actually, this area is basically for, for keeping the dining table and everything, but we have intentionally kept this space empty because I need this space for recording my videos, for clicking photos and everything. It's more like a studio space, and this particular rack, this doesn't belong here. It will go inside the room, maybe next 1 week. I'm also in process of redoing my room, so this rack will go inside and this area will be empty. Once upon a time we made a home cafe sort of setup right here on this space, and it was again a very, very pretty and cute setup. In our society itself, you will get flats of 1 BHK also and 2 BHKs which are comparatively smaller than ours. So this is basically the standard one and the biggest one in size. So this is a rented flat, and we are actually the first movers here. We shifted here in January 2020, and it was a semi-furnished one. When I say semi-furnished, that means the fittings, the electricals like fans, tube lights, and the TV shelf, the almirahs, it was all there. But the furniture that you see is all ours that we purchased after shifting in this flat. Now going towards the room, so this is the master bedroom.
And your heart makes no sound.
So we have one attached washroom here. We have the almirahs and a desk which we use as our workspace.
I'll find validity on.
This is the second room, which is comparatively a smaller one, and we have queen-sized bed here. And the paintings that you see on the wall, these all are made by my sister. As a matter of fact, all the canvas paintings that you see in this house, they are all handmade by my sister. There is also a mini work desk in this room. There is no attached washroom with this one. Rather, there is one in the corridor, which is a common washroom for the living room and this particular room. View
views from both the rooms is pretty much the same because window is on the same side. Moving towards the kitchen, so we have a decently sized kitchen with one L-shaped slab and a space for keeping the fridge, and on the other side there is a smaller slab where there is a sink. One side of the kitchen entry is in the living room, which is the open entry, and the other side there is a door which opens into the balcony. Towards the left of it we have kept our washing machine, and towards the right we have kept the plants. My balcony is my favorite place in the house. I enjoy my morning or evening tea from this place every day. I get the beautiful view of sunset. The evening sky is amazing and the nights are even more beautiful.
Well, that was a quick house tour video, but more than house tour, I wanted to share a few aspects of houses in Bangalore that you might use if anytime in future you're planning to shift to Bangalore, or maybe you're considering changing your flat, so this information might come handy to you. Talking about the rent part, so for this particular house, we are paying 27,000 a month, which doesn't include our maintenance. Maintenance of our flat is like 3,000 to 3,500 per month. Second most important and interesting part is the electricity part. So if you compare from North India and Bangalore, यहाँ पर बिजली का बिल बहुत कम आता है. Like if you ask me, I pay 800 per month, which is the fixed electricity bill. इसका रीजन मैं आपको बताती हूँ. लेकिन इससे पहले let me share you my गुड़गांव का बिल. We used to pay like 4,500 a month, which is 800 a month here. इतना कम क्यों आता है? सो बेसिकली हमारे घरों में एसी नहीं है. इनफैक्ट बैंगलोर में काफी घरों में एसी नहीं है, बिकॉज यहाँ पर एसी की बहुत ज्यादा आपको नीड नहीं पड़ती. पूरे साल में मुश्किल से 1-2 महीने ऐसे आते हैं जहां पर आपको एक्चुअली रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ती है, लेकिन उसमें भी अगर आप काम चला लो जैसे भी है तो फिर आपको जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. एंड हमारा फ्लैट इज ऑन 5th फ्लोर एंड सामने देयर इज अ बिल्डिंग, तो धूप बहुत डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर नहीं आती. एंड हमारे घर में वेंटिलेशन बहुत ज्यादा है एंड हमें वैसे ऑनेस्टली एसी की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. लेकिन बाकी जो बचे हुए 10 महीने होते हैं उसमें फैन भी 5 नंबर पर पूरा नहीं चलता. सो इट इज दैट वेल यू नो द वेदर इज प्रीटी गुड हियर, तो इसलिए बिजली का बिल बहुत कम आता है. बैंगलोर एक बहुत ही बड़ा सिटी है एंड यहाँ पर एरिया वाइज रेंट डिफर करते हैं. जैसे आवर्स इज इन वार्थुर, विच इज थोड़ा सा यू नो अंदर की साइड पर जाते वाला एरिया, इसलिए यहाँ पर रेंट थोड़े से कंपैरेटिवली कम है. एंड अगर हम बाहर मेन रोड पर लेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली ये सेम फ्लैट का रेंट आपको शायद 40-45,000 पे करना पड़ेगा, या इवन मोर देन दैट. एंड देयर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द सिटी विच इज लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी वाली साइड अगर आप जाओ. सो माई फ्रेंड यूज्ड टू लिव देयर एंड उनका सिमिलर सॉर्ट ऑफ फ्लैट, इससे थोड़ा छोटे साइज का, लेकिन दे यूज्ड टू पे 15,000. So yes, a decently good 2 BHK starts from 15,000 in Bangalore. लेकिन the deciding factor of taking any flat here in Bangalore is your office area. Like my husband's office is almost 25 minutes of drive from this place. Because अगर बिल्कुल office के पास देखोगे, like main road पर सामने देखोगे, आसपास देखोगे, तो again they are very high budget flats. तो इसलिए हमने थोड़ा सा अंदर के साइड लिया. and there are like 60 towers which are divided into 3 phases, and in one tower there are 14 floors and 8 flats each. तो अब तुम मैथ लगा लो कि यहाँ कितने हजार फ्लैट्स होंगे. एंड यहाँ का गार्डन स्पेस इज ह्यूज. There are facilities of each and every game that you can play outdoor and indoor also, because there is a very amazingly built clubhouse. अभी कोविड के चक्कर में क्लब हाउस बंद है, सो आई कैन नॉट टेक यू गाइज देयर, बट इट इज अ गुड वन. इट इज अ सेपरेट ट्रिपल स्टोरी बिल्डिंग वेयर देयर आर म्यूजिक रूम्स, देयर आर इंडोर गेम्स रूम्स, एंड देयर आर किड्स रूम, एंड देयर आर प्ले एरियाज एंड एवरीथिंग. द जिम, देयर इज अ salon, so basically there is everything.
Cost of a flat in this particular society is close to 1 CR, like 90 lakhs to 1 CR, I guess.
Well, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this one, and if you like it then definitely like it. Comment में बताओ मुझे कैसी लगी. I really hope ये information तुम्हारे काम आए, and if you know someone who is planning to shift to Bangalore, maybe you can share this video to those people. And meanwhile, please take care of yourself, your family, stay home, stay safe, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video.
You'll always be my nice guy. You'll always be my nice guy. You're the night sky hiding behind can't figure you out.